Hi guys, and I'm on the hot list today for TradeJuice, and one of the trades amongst all the many here that I'm looking at trading is the pound CHF 4-hour chart. It is displayed there, telling me my entry point, risk, target, stop loss, and so on. Let's see what the chart looks like. It looks identical to mine. That's where the entry point should be. The take profit target is there, and the stop loss down here. So all I need to do to enter this trade is to open up the charts and then look to see where it tells me to enter. So I'm going to enter there and set a pending order. This is bullish, so I'm going to set a buy stop. All is explained in the TradeJuice members area, of course. And I'm going to just also add the target, that price there. And do that now. And you can also set a stop. Of course, while I'm making this video, it takes a bit longer than usual. Here we go. I've set my buy stop with that price there. Take profit target here. And it'll trigger my entry at the area. The C price is currently here. Once it moves up and touches the entry point there, I'll be in the trade. The trade will be triggered. Stop loss is set here. And my take profit target up here. I'll be back to monitor this for you. Hi guys, so I'm back. We can see that this trade played out nicely so far. We're about halfway to target and I'm already in $3,000 profit. Now there's still a way to go. This is a 4-hour chart, so what I'm going to do is a bit of trade management. And I'm going to modify my stop loss slightly. It's part of the general rules for trade management that we would make use of. And let's do that. Okay, so I've moved it up to here. And we're going to let this trade play out for the next while and see how it goes. So I'll be back to monitor this. Hi guys, I'm back and I've put this trade up onto the charts. You can see that we entered the trade there. It did reverse but came right back up and hit me out here with my stop in profit. And we did place our target higher and I decided to use some trade management and this worked out perfectly. I have $2,382.09 made over this time on the 4-hour pound CHF chart. And, well, a great trade. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so this is what TradeJuice really is. It's a simple, let's call it a page, but it's more than a page where you can find everything that you actually need to become a successful trader. It's a dashboard designed to give you only the important information all day long. And let's start from the top. Over here you have a small menu where you can go deeper into the pages of the platform. So we have 4 different asset groups: Forex, crypto, commodities, and indices. After it, we have the education center, and we have a support. Most people that are using the TradeJuice are mostly on this part. Like, you don't need to have 20 things open just to not miss the trade. Everything that you need to find the trade is right here. We had over 21,000 trades, and that's amazing. This week alone, we had 310 trades just from this platform. Now, after it, we have the statistic of our average risk reward, and it's 1 to 3. We can easily go higher, but we decided that at the end of the day, 1 to 3 is the risk reward that is more than enough, especially with the win rate that we have, to make sure that our clients are in profit. And the final part is the total growth. So all the trades that we took. It's over 148% in profit. It's for over a year period. I'm more than happy considering the risk that we are using, because it's all been trading on my personal savings account, better to say retirement account. So I'm more than happy about that. And this week alone, we are up 0.20%.
So a few questions I have there, Nicola, is that firstly, so everything that you need to trade is right there on the screen, right? So you don't need to download any software. It's basically all you need is the information that you've got right there, where to enter, where to target, your risk to reward, everything is explained, including the charts, and then you place your order or place your pending order. So very easy. It took you maybe a minute or so to explain that, but it could take much less time to actually set it up yourself.
Yeah, definitely. That was the point. Like for us to have a platform that will do all the hard works, including the research, finding what's working right now, and not wasting a lot of hours doing that research alone and finding what we can trade. Tradeology is running 24 hours, 5 days a week, searching over 300 different instruments, and it's always going to give you only the things that we can trade right now. So I don't need to come here. I don't need to come here and worry, okay, I need to find the system that I'm going to use. I need to check the economic calendar. I need to check the volatility. Everything that's on the list here is something that you can actually trade right now. It's not something that you can trade tomorrow or you need to wait for this, or that. Everything here is something that you can use right away. And
these are updated how often? Every few minutes?
Yeah, everything is being updated every 5 minutes. Automatically for you. But if you want, you can always manually refresh everything. Or if you're not trading something like crypto, maybe you're not into crypto, you can just remove it completely. Or you're just trading Forex and indices, you can just leave these two here and that's all.
Excellent.
And there is one thing that is slightly different than compared to any other algos out there. People usually ask how many instruments we search, and since our algos work in a different way, we are trying to every 3 days gather all the data, and algo will only display for the next 3 days the best is going to display only the setups that had the best win rate. So if some pair started to drop down in the performance, it's automatically going to be cutted from our main list. People will never know it. We will get alert as a team, and we will start playing and optimizing the algo for that pair. And only after we see that we have a good win rate again, is going to be included in the list. But everything is being done more or less automated. So algo is trying to be better every few days. It's self-optimizing. And that's why I believe it's much different compared to anything else. We are always working on improvements. Like we put the version 3 out a few weeks ago, and we are already working on the version 4. And we are going to continue to work on the Tradeology algos and trying to make it even better for the next 10 years, in my opinion, minimum. I like to trade gold. And you can just click on that instrument name or any instrument name just to get the chart. You don't need chart, but I know a lot of people like to see visually where to place the entry stop loss. And that's why we are offering also that solution.
So just to be clear, Nicola, this is just an image, but this is not, you're not trading on somebody's platform or so. This is all just directions, where to enter, what the chart would look like when you open it up on your own MT4 platform.
Yeah, exactly. Like what Reduce really gives you is signals and generate signals all day long for you. So all people need to do from this point would be to go to their favorite broker and just place a trade. Everything is set to be a pending order, so you always have time to place a trade. And let me go here, let me find.
So you'll be able to show us how to do that.
Yeah, I want to show you because it's easy. Like you find gold on your broker, go to trading, right click, new order, and type is pending order. Since let's get back to this part, it's a bullish trade, so we want to buy. So it's a buy stop. So we just need to copy the entry price. After that, we are just going to copy the target price. Copying to take profit, and finally the stop loss. And you can place the trade just, or you can go here in expiry, put expiry 2-3 hours, just because you're always going to have more trades. You don't need to wait 2 days for market to come to you, because that's why I really love how Tradeology operates, since you always have something to trade with this platform. I like to trade gold, and you can just click on that instrument. After that, we are just going to copy the target price, copying to take profit, and finally the stop loss. And you can place the trade just, or you can go here in expiry, put expiry 2-3 hours, just because you're always going to have more trades. You don't need to wait 2 days for market to come to you, because That's why I really love how Tradejuice operates, since you always have something to trade with this platform.
Okay, guys, so I'm on the Tradejuice platform and I can see okay, guys, and I'm back, and we can see that the trade has played out nicely. I entered here. Let me just zoom in a little bit, and we can see that within within a couple of hours, the trade played out. My take profit target was hit, and that was a quick 250, and that was a quick $240. Thanks for watching. Adrian here, and I'm on the pound Japanese yen. I've just had a look at the Hello everyone, and I'm on the Tradejuice platform. I see that there is a setup. And I'm back, and we can see that my entry has just been hit. And so we're in the trade, and I'll be back to monitor progression of the trade. That's my target there. That's my stop loss. And there's where price is at the moment. Okay, and I'm back just to check on the progress, and I can see that so far we're up $900 just over, and price is heading towards our target. I'll be back soon. Okay, and I'm back, and I've just put this trade back onto the chart so that you can see the trade played out very well over just a course of 4 hours. I made $1,634.48. So there we got into the trade, we set our stop there, and that's the target. Easy trade. Thank you for watching.
Now, let's go over step by step what you're going to get. Now, more or less already valid. There is not a chance that something is wrong. So we want to be looking for a short position at 89.6521 with a target at 89.1881 and stop loss 89.9995. The risk reward is 1 to 1.4. So if you risk $100, we would be making 140.
Hi guys, I'm on the Tradejuice platform, and I see a whole bunch of run, and I'll be back shortly just to keep an eye on it to see if my pending order has been hit and the progression of the trade. Be back shortly. All right, guys, and I'm back, and the trade has already played out in just a short while, just under half an hour, and I've made $441.61. And there's the trade on the chart. That's where I entered. That's where the stop was placed. And that's where the target was hit. As you can see, just 2 candles later, we exited the trade in profit. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, I'm on my gold USD chart, 15 minutes. In well under an hour. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, I'm on the gold USD 15-minute chart, and the reason I'm on this Oh, and there we go. It just hit. So what we do have now is a successful trade there. And there I've just pulled up my account on this, and we can see that $204 made in less than half an hour. That was a great trade. Thanks for watching. So I'm on the hot list for today on the Trade Juice members area, and wasn't making a video and audio and so on for this. So let's come back as soon as we have any progress here. Hey guys, and I'm back, and as we can see here, I've put the trade on the screen. We had a very successful trade, was never in any danger, and we can see we entered here, stop loss was up here, take profit target was here, and it hit just a short while ago. In a matter of a few hours, less than a day, $4,530 profit. Excellent trade, great platform. Thanks for watching.